What's the meaning of algal? Algal. 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 Algal.
Algal refers to something that is related to, resembling or produced by algae, which are simple, photosynthetic aquatic organisms. Algae come in many forms, such as unicellular, filamentous, or multicellular, and can be found in a variety of aquatic habitats, including oceans, lakes, rivers, and even snowfields. They play important roles in the ecosystem, providing oxygen, serving as food sources for aquatic animals and even acting as indicators of water quality. Algal blooms, however, can be harmful to the environment and human health, leading to issues such as oxygen depletion and toxin production.